Our solar system is as precise as a mechanical watch, with all celestial bodies orbiting stably in their respective paths. The entire solar system has a total of 8 planets. The 4 innermost ones are terrestrial planets, mainly composed of rock and metal. These 4, along with the Sun and the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, make up what we commonly call the inner solar system. This is also the core region of the entire solar system. Beyond the asteroid belt, or rather beyond the inner solar system, lie the other 4 giant planets. They don't have solid surfaces, and their atmospheres are composed of gases like hydrogen and helium. If the asteroid belt is like a cage trapping humans from leaving the solar system, then beyond the 4 giant planets in the outer solar system, there's a second cage trapping humanity. This is the Kuiper belt, an even larger belt of dust harboring over 1 billion various small celestial bodies. Overall, it seems that the solar system is very unique. For example, our Earth even has the Moon as its natural satellite. And on the Moon's surface, we can see countless impact craters of all sizes. That's right, these were all blocked for Earth. Throughout history, many celestial bodies in the solar system have protected Earth from countless unwelcome visitors. For instance, the Shoemaker-Levy 9 comet impact on Jupiter in 1994. At that time, thousands of people witnessed firsthand Jupiter blocking a comet that might otherwise have hit Earth. From ancient times until now, if it weren't for the protection of guardians like Jupiter, there would likely be no life on Earth, and certainly no you and me today. So why is the solar system so perfectly arranged? Was all of this designed? To explore and uncover the answer to this question, we must travel back in time to before the solar system was even born. Astronomers estimate that the solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago. At that time, in a corner of the Milky Way's outer edge, a molecular cloud filled with gas and dust drifted. This was the leftover product from the death of a previous generation of stars. At an opportune moment, driven by their own gravity, they began to continuously gather together. As more and more gas was drawn into the center, its temperature and pressure also increased until it finally ignited. This was our primordial sun. In the early stages of the sun's formation, it was a dusty world with many leftover remnants still swirling around. However, some of these remnants, due to gravity, also began to collide and merge, forming the planets that orbit the sun. This included our primordial Earth, and they each found their own stable orbits. At this point, Earth was also violently struck by a hypothetical celestial body named Theia, which ultimately led to the Earth-Moon system we know today. At first glance, every planet in the solar system seems unique. Some are too close to the sun and are scorched by its high temperatures. Others are too far from the sun, forced to become cold, frozen worlds. But there is one planet that is located in just the right spot, neither too hot nor too cold, making it an ideal home for life. While we cannot deny that Earth is a special existence, the entire solar system is just an ordinary planetary system in the universe. Have you ever considered that before and after the birth of our solar system, countless other planetary systems similar to ours were also forming? Among the at least 200 billion stars in the Milky Way alone, most stars have planets orbiting them. Even though they are hundreds or thousands of light years away from us, the Kepler telescope has still detected many genuine habitable exoplanets. Therefore, among the countless evolving celestial bodies in the observable universe, there will always be a very small number of planets that are as perfectly arranged and special as Earth. And for us humans, living on this Earth, our home, as a small part of the brilliant stars, we are incredibly fortunate.